All right, let's go in and take a look inside. This room is a large 3-bedroom. You have a series of steps that lead up to the main level within the house. This is a fantastic room. The views that come off of this living room area here, I mean, you're going to have this room set up as if it is multiple rooms. But this is an unbelievable view of the Shadow Mountain Golf Course, the South Palm Desert Mountains, looking into South Palm Desert homes and condominiums. That's to a bedroom downstairs. Here you have homes looking westward towards Mount San Jacinto, past, I don't even know what those mountains are called right there other than Kauai Hills. But this is a living room that if you were sitting in on a sofa enjoying your day, you would feel like you were the commander of your world, that you were the one in charge of all of this. You sit slightly elevated over ground level. The pad of this home seems to be built at 2 to 3 feet above even the most common ground level within on the property. It's breathtaking, I'll tell you. Now, let's talk about what it's not. It's not finished, right? I mean, it needs a lot of work. Somebody took the time to put in these windows. Those are keepers. Okay, they've done some drywall work throughout the home. That is fantastic. You have a lot of walls in this home made out of brick that you're probably not going to want to move. But, I mean, this home could be turned into a 4 or 5 bedroom if that was their desire. It could be kept in its present floor plan and just have the garage enlarged. I don't know. Somebody's got to figure out what is permitted and what's not, and just go into it assuming that nothing is permitted. This looks like a laundry room, maybe, or a bathroom. I can see, actually, that's a bathroom. There's a toilet drain right over there. We have some water and some drains over here for a sink. This is a similar type of room. I don't know, there's water coming in, that's for sure, but maybe this was just a coat closet? I don't know, maybe that was for a heater AC unit. As we continue down this hall, we go back to the master bedroom. Master bedroom is good size. This section right here, I'll tell you, is not huge, but you get that outside view, which is just fantastic with it. And you'd probably have your headboard of your bed up here, sloping that way, a TV mounted over the top of a dresser there. Here we have a walk-in closet with very high ceilings. Much of this house, I didn't even mention, is at least 9 feet. It might be 10 feet for the most common ceiling height, and in places it seems to go beyond that. Okay, that would have been a walk-in shower right there, and here we would have had a toilet room for it. And then you'd put your sink over here, which is kind of a small area for a sink with a bathroom of this size, in my opinion. I'd almost want to do them double or figure out something to enlarge it. Since this space back here isn't anything, maybe I'd even take this wall out and just push it all around. Anyways, that's for you to decide. Master bedroom. Let's go on. We're 4 minutes in. There's a lot to this home. Okay. I'm not going to go down in this section. I'll tell you, there's a ton of work. There is a 1-bedroom. It has like an extra sitting room on it. You have the bedroom, and then the main room, and then a bathroom. There's a large closet with it. But it's kind of spooky, and it's not really safe. Okay? I'll tell you, I'm not going down there again. Whoops. Okay. I will take you into the other bedroom upstairs. So that's 1 bedroom downstairs. We went into the master bedroom. I did not feel entirely safe walking on this, but it's apparently designed so that it could be a large balcony, and from this balcony you again get those fantastic views. This was at one time a window, I believe, so from the bedroom you would get those views all the time. This could be a great room for somebody. Now, the way it is, and we step down a little here, needs just a little bit of work, okay? Some people might want to move in as it is, but I'd probably want to fix it up a little. Normal ceiling heights going from 7 to 8 feet, somewhere in there. I think this is a fireplace, looking at it. I noticed on the other side, on the living room side, it had some plywood there that I didn't pay attention to enough before. There's a doorway going out back. I don't recall a stairway going downstairs there, but perhaps there was and I didn't see it, or maybe it had been removed. Over here we go into the bathroom. A shower. Large bathroom. Closet. Enough room there for an extra vanity, a nice sink. You've got a toilet area right behind me. Lots of windows again. So there you have that. Okay, I don't like stepping on this, so I'm going to be very careful as we go back into the main house. Here we go. And there you have it. If somebody wants to see more, I can bring them by here and get them in. I now have the code to this house. It's for sale for $1.2 million. Me and one friend were talking, guesstimating $500,000. That put you at 1.7. I hear the seller cannot really take much off, if anything, and still pay off his mortgage and the realtors and escrow fees and stuff. So somebody's got to see the value in the home as it is. And I'll tell you, somebody with the right touch, I believe they could turn this home into, I don't think 2 million cuts it. I think we're at 3. I'll run comps and have those if somebody wants to see them. I think this home is an opportunity like few others in the desert. But you've got to be somebody who's got to come up with a little more than $1 million cash and then have the money to do the remodel. I think we're going to call it quits. My name's Eric Meeks. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this South Palm Desert home. I believe it could truly be a work of art. Have a good day.